Have you ever wondered why your computer runs like it's stuck in the mud while your friend's machine blazes through tasks? Well, today we're diving into the essential parts that make up every computer and why choosing premium components can make or break your trading success. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what each part does and why power users like day traders like us absolutely need top tier hardware. So let's start with the foundation of every computer, and that's something called the motherboard. Think of it as the central nervous system that connects everything together. It's a large, flat circuit board covered in pathways and connectors where all your components plug into. Without a quality motherboard, even the best processor and memory will underperform. The motherboard handles all data flow between all of the components, it manages power distribution, and it provides expansion slots for future upgrades. At Easy Trading Computers, we only use the highest end motherboards, and they come from manufacturers like MSI, Gigabyte, and Asus, the same brands trusted by professional system builders. These boards have rock solid voltage regulation, they have premium components, and long-term reliability that traders can count on. They are excellent at getting rid of heat, and it's heat that absolutely destroys electronics. Next up is the processor. And if you've watched any of my videos before, I talk endlessly about the processor. The processor is also known as a CPU. This small square chip is literally the brains of your computer. It processes all that real-time data that's flooding into your machine, and it handles every single calculation and instruction needed to make your entire setup work. When you click on an application or your trading platform, or you type on your keyboard or browse the internet, that's all the CPU doing all that work in spot on real time if it's a high-end processor. Modern processors contain billions of microscopic transistors working together at incredible speeds. Because processors generate significant heat during operation, they're always paired with cooling systems like heat sinks or fans to prevent overheating. A fast processor is like having a supercar engine under your trading desk. It's smooth, it's precise, and it's always ready to accelerate when the market moves. And as of this video, the highest end processors for trading are the Intel Core Ultra 9 285K and the AMD Ryzen 9 9950X3D. Now, your computer also needs memory, specifically RAM, also known as random access memory. These thin rectangular sticks plug directly into the motherboard, and they serve as the temporary workspace for your processor. Think of RAM like the surface of your desk. The bigger the desk, the more projects you can work on simultaneously without getting things cluttered. RAM stores the data that your processor needs immediate access to, dramatically speeding up performance compared to retrieving information from the storage drives. So I personally only recommend brands such as Crucial, G-Skill, Corsair, and Kingston. These brands of RAM are known for rock-solid stability. They have lifetime warranties and blazing fast speeds. In trading, consistency is king, and cheap memory just doesn't cut it. Speaking of storage, every computer needs a place to permanently store your files, your programs, your operating system, your trading workspaces, your pictures, your documents, a place to store all of this stuff when your computer is off. The old school traditional hard drives use spinning magnetic disks with tiny write heads that move back and forth accessing data. While they can hold enormous amounts of information, they're relatively slow because all of those moving parts. Also, those moving parts wear out, they break. And if you're still using one of these old school drives, you are in trouble. You want to move your data into the cloud or onto a new computer. Because modern computers use solid state drives instead. SSDs, as are also known. SSDs have no moving parts. They use memory chips similar to what's in your smartphone. That makes them incredibly fast, more durable, and completely silent. The speed difference is absolutely dramatic. We're talking boot up times dropping from over a minute or two down to 20 seconds or less. At Easy Trading Computers, we always use premium M.2 NVMe SSDs. These are the latest generation. They have maximum speed and maximum reliability. Now let's talk about graphics cards. For visual outputs, computers use graphics processors, also known as GPUs. Basic computers you get at a big box store that cost $599 use the most basic integrated graphics. Integrated graphics means that the actual graphics are built into the computer's main processor. And this is fine for everyday tasks like email and Facebook. However, demanding applications like trading or video editing or running multiple high-resolution trading monitors require dedicated high-end graphics cards. We specifically recommend the NVIDIA RTX 5000 series. These deliver top-tier performance, and they include something called Tensor Cores. Tensor Cores are designed for AI and machine learning applications, and these are being increasingly used by AI-powered trading analysis. These cards don't just push pixels, they crunch massive amounts of visual and analytical data lightning fast. By the way, they also support up to 4 monitors. Now listen, traders, here's where everything gets critical for serious computer users, especially traders who depend on their machines for their livelihood. Every component we've discussed comes in the budget version and the premium version. And the differences go far beyond the price tags. And if you're a serious trader and you're serious about upgrading your trading computer to professional level, make sure to download my complete guide to trading computers using the link in the description. And hammer that subscribe button, please, because we're just getting to the good stuff about why component quality matters so much. Budget components often come from manufacturers you've never heard of. They use cheaper materials and they cut corners on quality control. They might work fine at first, but they're prone to failures. They're prone to inconsistent performance and shorter lifespans. And for someone checking email and Facebook, that's no big deal. But for a trader watching multiple market feeds and executing time-sensitive trades, a hardware failure could mean thousands of dollars in lost seconds. Premium components from established manufacturers like Intel, AMD, NVIDIA, Samsung, and others undergo rigorous testing, and they use higher-grade materials. They include better error correction, thermal protection, heat protection, and longer warranties, because those manufacturers stand behind their engineering. The performance differences are measurable and they're meaningful. Take memory, for example. Quality RAM modules from reputable brands offer lifetime warranties because they're so confident in their products. They use premium chips that maintain performance under stress, and they include advanced error correction. Cheap memory might save you $50 up front, but a system crash during an important trade makes that savings absolutely meaningless. Look, the bottom line here, stop trading on a toy. If you're ready to upgrade to a trading computer that won't let you down when the markets move, check out our latest sale by clicking the link in the description below. If you're not ready yet to upgrade, that's fine. Go ahead and download my complete guide to trading computers using the other link below. You'll get detailed specs, compatibility tips, and insider advice for picking components that deliver reliability and performance that serious traders demand. And dude, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see the latest trading technology, definitely watch this video next. My name is Eddie Z. Thanks for watching, and may the trend be with you.